Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to read notes on our staff. So we only have 3 steps to do that. The first step is to identify whether the note is a line note or a space note. So what that means can be seen here. On our musical staff, we have 5 lines and the spaces between them. Our notes can either go on a line or on a space. You can see that these notes here that are shown as circles go on the lines. You can see the line goes straight through them like an arrow through an apple or cutting a pizza or pie in half. That's what line notes look like, and we see them there. Our space notes sit in between the lines. You can see that it's touching the bottom line and the top line over here, bottom line and top line, and that they go in between the lines. So these are space notes here, and these are line notes over here. So now we know what a line note or a space note is. Now we need to use the saying and use that saying from the bottom of the staff to the top of the staff. So each staff has a saying for its notes. Let's see if we can get this to focus. There we go. So the saying for the lines is, every good band deserves fudge. And we go from the bottom to the top when we use that saying. So let's do that again. Say it with me. Every good band deserves fudge. Let's do that again. Every good band deserves fudge. Let's do that 3 more times. Every good band deserves fudge. 2 more times. Every good band deserves fudge. 1 more time. Every good band deserves fudge. That is the line saying for our high clef or our treble clef. Now we're going to do the space saying, and space rhymes with face. So we're going to spell face from the bottom to the top. F-A-C-E. Let's do that again. F-A-C-E. Okay, 3 more times. F-A-C-E. 2 more times. F-A-C-E. 1 more time. F-A-C-E. Okay. So let's go back and look at our rules and see if you can remember them for learning how to read notes on the treble clef. So think of that first rule. Did you get line or space? If you did, good job. Our second one is use the saying, and we use that saying from the bottom to the top. So let's say these rules 5 times. Line or space, use the saying, bottom to top. Line or space, use the saying, bottom to top. 3 more times. Line or space, use the saying, bottom to top. 2 more times. Line or space, use the saying, bottom to top. Okay, now let's review what makes a note a line or a space. A line note is a note that is cut in half by the line. Right there. Our space note sits in between the lines, touching both the bottom and the top line, like these ones do. Okay, now let's do the sayings for the lines. Every good band deserves fudge, and say the lines, or say the names for the spaces. And space rhymes with face, so we spell it from bottom to top. F-A-C-E. This is probably the most used clef in band, but there are some instruments that use a different clef. And that clef will have different sayings for the lines and the spaces, but it will use the same three rules to identify what those notes are. We'll look at that in another video, but this has been learning how to identify notes in the treble clef. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.